Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Help Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix blue screen critical process died. This error means a core background component of Windows 10 stop working due to bad driver, corrupted file or failing hardware. You need to follow a step to fix the problem. After the automatic repair screen appears, click to advanced option. Then click to troubleshoot option, then click to advanced option, then click to startup repair option. If the same problem still continuously, follow the another step. You need to follow a step to fix it. Go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced option, then open to command prompt and type the command sfc /scan now and press enter to repair corrupted system file. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. This may take 10 to 30 minutes. Once it is 100% complete, after it is complete, type another command and type the command. In the command prompt, type chk dsk c clone and press enter to scan and fix corrupted hard drive sector. After completing the all stages, after it is complete, type another command. Type the command dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and press enter to fix the Windows images. It is showing up here can be found. It might work successfully on your end as well. After it is complete, type another command. First command is bootrec.exe /fixmbr and press the enter button. The second command is bootrec.exe /fixboot and press the enter key. If it is show access denied, type the next command. Next command is bootrec.exe /scanOS and hit the enter button. After typing the command, wait a moment, you will see successfully message. After it is complete, type another command. The command is bootrec.exe /rebuild bcd and hit the enter button. The system will now say total identify Windows installation 1. Type yes when asked to add the installation to the boot list. Alternative boot repair command bcd boot c clone /windows /s c clone and hit the enter button key. What it does, it copy important boot files from Windows dictionary to your hidden boot partition and create a new bcd store. After that type exit in the command prompt to close it, then click continue to exit. The PC will restart automatically. Check if the problem is resolved. Hopefully it will be. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.